okay? Are you really fine? I mean, you know it's okay to feel a little lost sometimes. It's alright that you don't want to smile. You don't need to explain bad moments away. We all get them.
Evil Toby, don't
and get
trust
through
you.
them.
Evil Toby, don't trust you.
Don't forget that even the darkest clouds have the sun shining on the other side. So give it time, and you will be fine. Eventually, most likely, you'll feel the corners of your mouth naturally rise, and you'll know that it's real because everybody will be able to see it in your eyes. But until then, I was just calling to check on you because I was thinking of you, and I wanted to make sure that you're doing okay. Let me know if you're not. I'm always here if you need to talk.